Wheel spacers are a kind of wheel upgrade accessories that has now become a common practice among many car modification lovers. If the offset is not ideal, a set of wheel spacers can fix the wrong offset. They can also improve the stability, handling, and overall appearance of the car. The first difference is that the stance of the car will be wider. After fitting wheel spacers, you can move the wheels further away from the suspension. This increases the track width. As the track width increases, the vehicle's performance tends to become more stable, and handling usually improves as well. The lateral grip of the tires is also improved. With these wheel spacers, you can feel more comfortable when cornering. Installing wheel spacers is an effective way to increase the clearance between the wheel and the brake caliper. This can be especially useful if you plan to fit larger brakes or wheels on your car. The additional clearance provided by the spacers can prevent the brakes from rubbing against the wheels. A car with a lower center of gravity will handle better, thanks to reduced roll and more even tire loading. What's more, you can change the offset by adding wheel spacers of the appropriate thickness. This improves the overall rider experience. Besides, the benefit of the plus design of BONOSS Porsche lightweight plus wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous general product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice. In addition, their CNC machine with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since spacers are components that contain the other part, you need tight tolerant ones. Also, BONOSS Porsche FT cooling wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind.